Pag-aralan natin yung solving parts of congruent triangles. Number 1. Triangle WIS is congruent to triangle DOM. If WI is equal to 3x plus 5 and DO is 14, then what is the value of x? So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong illustration. Yung ibang mga bata, kapag walang illustration, hindi nila naiintindihan kung ano ba yung hinahanap or kung ano ba yung tinatanong. So, kapag walang illustration, pwede mo siyang i-illustrate. Maggagawa ka lang ng dalawang triangle na magkamuka. Ayan. And then, pangalanan mo ito gamit yung pangalan ng given na triangle. So, WIS and then DOM. So, ito yung dalawang triangle na congruent. From the given, si WI daw ay 3x plus 5. So, ito yun. You have 3x plus 5. And then, si DO naman ay 14. Ayan, diba? So, notice that these two sides corresponds with one another and therefore they are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, we can write WI is congruent to DO. And since they are congruent, their measurement is equal. Ang measurement ni WI ay 3x plus 5. Ang measurement naman ni DO is 14. So, dapat pag na-solve natin yung value ng x at sinubstitute natin yun dito, dapat 14 yung kalalabasan. So, isolve na natin. 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. Using the properties of equality, o kaya naman yung iba sinasabi mag-transpose ka na lang. Pareho lang din naman yung kalalabasan. So, we have here 3x na lang. Kasi we transpose 5. So, we have here 14 minus 5. So, from here, we have 3x is equal to what? 14 minus 5 is 9. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore, your x is 3. So, let's now try to substitute if kapag 3 yung value ng x, 14 ba yung makukuha natin? So, we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 14. 3 times yung value ng x na nasolve mo ay 3. Plus 5, it must be equal to 14. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 is equal to 14. Therefore, tama yung nakuha mong sagot. Dahil ito ay equal. So, this means that the value of x is 3. Ganun lang yon. Next, number 2. Triangle WON is congruent to triangle DER. If WN is equal to 4x minus 2 and DR is equal to 3x plus 8, then what is the length of WN and DR? So, again, i-illustrate mo para mas naiintindihan mo kung ano nga ba yung hinahanap at ano yung mga given. So, pag nag-illustrate ka, kahit ano pang itsura ng triangle muna yung gamitin mo. Basta kapag pinangalanan mo sila, magkakasunod sila. Kasi yun yung mga corresponding angles and corresponding sides. So, we have triangle WON and triangle DER. From here, mula sa given, WN measures 4x minus 2. Di ba ito si WN? So, it measures 4x minus 2. And then, DR measures 3x plus 8. So, ito naman si 3x plus 8. So, kung mapapansin mo, ang mga side na ito corresponds with one another and therefore, their measurement will be equal. So, we can write WN is congruent to DR. And since they're congruent, their measurement will be equal. So, ang measurement ni WN ay 4x minus 2. Ang measurement naman ni DR ay 3x plus 8. So, from here, you can use properties of equality o kaya naman mag-transpose ka na lang para mabilis. So, 4x minus 3x. Kasi ito, di ba? You will transpose. So, properties of equality, you need to subtract 3x on both sides. So, dito mo na siya isulat. And then, ano yung naiwan? Diba we have 8? So, again, you transpose 2. Kaya, you have here plus 2. Sa properties of equality naman, ganun din yung nangyayari. Diba you have here minus 2? Therefore, you had to add 2 on both sides. So, hindi mo na siya isusulat dito. Dito mo na siya ilagay. Okay? Kasi yung iba, ayaw nilang naririnig yung transpose kasi hindi naman daw yun accepted. Pero actually, ginagamit naman na siya ngayon kasi yun yung mas madaling ipaunawa sa mga bata. Pero palagi pa rin natin sasabihin sa kanila yung properties of equality para hindi nila yung nalilimutan. So, we have here 4x minus 3x, x na lang. And then 8 plus 2 is 10. This means that the value of x is 10. Pero ang tanong, ito ba yung hinahanap? Di ba hindi? Kasi ang hinahanap, what is the length of W, N, and DR? Ibig sabihin, you will not stop from 10. You have to substitute it to find the value of W, N, and DR. So, we have here 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 8. Substitute natin yung value ng x na nakuha. Diba ang nakuha natin ay 10? So, we have here 4 times 10 minus 2. And then, sa right side naman, we have 3 times 10 plus 8. So, again, sa nanggaling itong 10 na ito, yun yung nakuha mo kanina. The value of x. So, 4 times 10 is 40 minus 2. And then, 3 times 10 is 30 plus 8. 40 minus 2 is 38. And 30 plus 8 is also 38. So, observe na sinolve natin sila simultaneously to show that they're equal. So, ayun lang. This is how we solve parts of congruent triangles. Pero, itong lesson na ito ay side pa lang. Wala pa yung sa angle. So, ayun. I hope you learned. Kung may natutunan ka, pwede mo din itong i-share. Thank you!